Hey you guys, it's Charlotte and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today, since I'm in my garage, you will know that we are going to go over some sales that I got. So today is March the 26th and we are going over 3 sales, 2 from eBay and 1 from Mercari actually. And last week, so usually I film for 2 weeks. Last week we didn't have any sales. This week, Sunday, we are coming in hard and fast with 3 sales, and we're going to go over this. So these 3 items are the items that 2 of them I listed in February, and 1 of them I listed maybe a couple of weeks ago, probably last week to be honest. The first one, let's just go over to Mercari. And Mercari, I sold this $1 million puzzle. I actually bought this for $5 at a yard sale, which is kind of bust. I shouldn't have picked it up if it was $5. It's sealed and everything. This is the $1 million puzzle. And, you know, it has like the QR code and everything once you finish it. And then you can see how much you win. Let's say it could be $25 or it could be $1 million. But this is sealed. I paid $5. This sold for $10. It's going to go FedEx, which is roughly about $7.99. And the buyer is going to be paying for that. So with $10, I think I'm getting paid maybe $7 or so. So this is only like a $2 profit to me. So this is a bust. Shouldn't have picked this up for $5, but I'm glad that it did sell within a month. Now the next ones, the other 2 are from eBay. Now the first one is this holiday pin from Hallmark, and it is the Snoopy, and it's the retractable snowball that's right here. I'm not going to pull too much because I don't want to break it. Like I said, it's a pin, and I got this in a big lot whenever I went to the big yard sale that I showed a video on. I believe I can link it either down below at the end of this video. But these were only 25 cents, and I listed this for $12, and it sold for $12 plus shipping, which shipping is going to be around $3.80. It's going to be USPS, so this is probably going to be maybe 5 ounces or so. It's going to be very, very, very light. But yeah, so I didn't even know that there was a bird, I don't remember his name right off the bat, was in there. But anyway, so this sold brand new, never used, paid 25 cents, and turned around and made $12 off of this plus shipping. Now the next one is a paperweight. Now I usually try to pick up paperweights, but here lately they have not been selling. I think I've had one since last year, early last year, that I have not sold yet. Still in my store waiting to be sold, but this one is actually really pretty. I bought this for $3 at a yard sale, and this is a sailboat. It is merino style. It is not a merino Italian. It is the style, but it is not the brand. Just FYI, I did put it in the description box and everything. But anyway, so this is a paperweight sailboat. It is super cute. It's pretty heavy, so it's going to go priority mail. It is blue and yellow, and it's a clear bottom right here. Like I said, I paid $3 for this. It is super cute, and I listed this for, I believe, $15, and somebody sent me an offer for $12, and I accepted it. And yeah, and they will be paying for shipping, which shipping is going to be around $8 or so, because it is going to be heavy. It's going to be priority mail. It's going to be double wrapped, double bubble wrapped and everything. So yeah, but anyway, so I turned $3 into $12 for this, and then a little review, I turned 25 cents into $12 for profit. And then the puzzle from Mercari, paid $5 and turned around and sold it for $10. But that is it for Sunday, and of course I will see you for the next sale. Hey guys, so it is Thursday, March 30th, and I'm coming on here because we have 3 sales, 2 from eBay and 1 from Mercari. It is currently around 8:30 in the morning. I am super tired. I'm actually off today because I requested for a 4-day weekend, so I'm off Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We are heading up to North Alabama, and when you are seeing this, I would already be back. We're coming back on Saturday. We're just gonna go see some family, some friends, eat some really good food, shopping, maybe go to some thrift stores. But yeah, so anyways, let's just get on it with it because I do have a dentist appointment at 9:30 that I have to get to. So the first one is actually a older one, and I did this, I think I listed this in October. It was around October 20th, but it is this Hello Kitty. It is a Detroit Lion brand Hello Kitty, and you can see that it is the NFL brand right here. I listed this back in October for $15 used. I got this at I want to say at a yard sale for probably like $1. Listed it for $15 plus shipping, around $5 or so for shipping. And then somebody sent me an offer for $10, and then I automatically accepted it. It's been listed since October. Wanted to get rid of it. So yeah, so this turned $1 into $10. I had to think a little bit. So that is the first item that sold. The second one, we literally listed this on the 25th of this month, and I got a lot of views, and this is actually from Mercari. So this one's actually a really good one. It is the Handy Bright Light. I picked this up a couple of weeks ago. Yeah, I think it was a couple of weeks ago, and then I listed it on the 25th. I listed this on Mercari for $11 and then eBay for $14 because that is just what the sold comps was telling me. So two different prices, but this sold on Mercari for $11. I'm probably going to get about, I think, $8 or $9 in profit, and they already paid for shipping and everything. It works. See, it's so bright right there. But this is pretty handy. It's the Handy Bright. You just stick it on a wall somewhere and you just turn it on, and then there's your light without holding a flashlight pretty much. I paid $2 for this, and that's pretty much it. So $2 turned into $11 off of Mercari. And then last but not least, right before I turn the camera on, I sent an offer probably about 30 minutes to an hour ago for a puzzle. So this puzzle is a puzzle of the city. It is a colorful city sunset. Don't know where this is, but it is a 300-piece puzzle. I got this, I think I got this at a yard sale, I'm pretty sure, for $1 or so. And I listed this for $7 because that is kind of what the comps were saying. It was all over the place for real. It is sealed new. I had this earlier this year. I think I posted this earlier this year, and I listed it for $7, like I said, and I sent an offer for $5. It was accepted, just waiting on the payment, which should be coming in soon. But yeah, so $1 turned into $5. Not the best. Puzzles, I sometimes do good, but they sit on my eBay for a very long time. This is the one that actually, you know, sold fairly quickly, kind of, maybe 2 months. But I'm trying not to pick up puzzles unless they are sealed, maybe Disney themed and everything. But yeah, so $7 or $1 turned into $5 was $7. They are going to be paying for shipping. It should be probably not even over a pound because there's not a lot of pieces in here. So that's not going to be bad either. All of these are going to go USPS, which is really good for me because I could just do a clean drop off. But anyway, so that is it. So those 3 items sold. I'm super excited. So we're ending the week with 6 items sold, which is really good. I don't know if I'm going to continue for another week or upload this on Sunday. So if you're seeing this on this Sunday, hello. But if not, then I'm going to continue. But anyways, I will either see you in the next video or the next sale. Hey guys, so it is currently April the 2nd, and we have our first sale. It's a Sunday. Last week we did, I believe we did 5 sales, and then this week we're starting off with 1 sale, and I literally just got this in probably about 2 minutes ago. I've had this listed for a while. It is the vintage 1986 Choctaw Police Department. I picked this up for $1 at a estate sale, and I picked up a bunch of the patches, and a lot of them sold except for this one. This one's the last one. I paid $1 for this, and then I listed it for $5 with promotional listing and everything, and then somebody just paid for it. I made a sale. This sold for $5 plus shipping. It's going to be around $3 or so cents for this. Here's the details. It's really pretty, actually. 1986 Choctaw Police Department, and has that in the back. So yeah, so this is our first sale for the new week, April the 2nd, and it's a small one, but this actually been on my eBay for quite some time. I got this last year, probably earlier last year, and I uploaded it probably around the same time, and it finally sold. So one sale today. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the next sale. Hey guys, so it is Wednesday, April the 5th, and I am coming on here because we have one sale that we are going to be packaging up. It is from eBay, and I recently just uploaded this on Sunday, so it only took 3 days to sell, which is great. It is this Magic Math multiplication little table that when you press it, you can see like the numbers. So this is for, you know, any grade school that is learning math, learning to multiply and everything. This is a great tool. I remember having this. This brand is from 2005, but they have earlier versions kind of like this. And I remember having one in the classroom when I was younger, and it helped tremendously for me. But all you do is just press it down. So this is one times one, and you can see it says 1. So that's all you have to do, and that does it for everybody. It shows you like the numbers and all that stuff. The camera is not very good, so it's not going to be focusing on the number. It's kind of faded and everything. But I got this for $1. I listed it for $17.90, and it sold for that amount through promotional, so it is going to be taking a percentage out of that, and plus the buyer is going to be paying for shipping, which is going to be around $5, probably less. This is going to be less than £1. It's going to go USPS. But yeah, so this I picked up, maybe it was last month when I picked it up, and I just uploaded this, so it was probably about a couple of weeks ago when I picked this up. It was like a big haul that I did with one of the big yard sales that I picked up for $1. But anyway, so I turned $1 into $17.90 plus shipping. So that is it for the sale for Wednesday, and I will see you guys on the next sale, hopefully before this weekend's. Hey you guys, it is Shirley. It is Sunday, April the 16th, and I'm coming on here because I'm going to end the video for what sold on eBay. We currently, I cannot remember how much we have, but of course I'll put it up on the screen. But we had a good week, and this is running from, I think, the end of March all the way until Easter weekend. And then I'm going to end this, and I'm going to start another one because we actually had 2 sales that came in yesterday, and I'm going to package them up today. So I hope y'all have a great Sunday, and I will see you guys in the next video of what sold on eBay.